Today let us make an Origami Cat Bookmark. Welcome to Sparklebox, this is Yamini. And if DIY is your love, then you must definitely go through our channel and click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get instant notifications on our new videos. Without further delay, let's get started with our today's DIY. We just need one material and that is origami sheets. Making your own puppet? Do give it a try yourself and share your work with us in Instagram by tagging us. And don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. Do let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section below. I'll be back with another interesting DIY. Until then, see you all.